Your lesson essential question is, how can you subtract by counting up on an open number line? So again, we are subtracting, meaning we are finding the difference. We're taking a number away from a bigger number. And we are using an open number line again. Remember, an open number line has no numbers written on it yet. You're putting only the numbers that you need on the number line. Now, you learned how to count back on an open number line to subtract. Today we're going to be counting up to subtract. You're probably wondering what that means, because when we subtract, we take numbers away. Let me show you. So I have 57 minus 28. When we counted back, we started with our greatest number, which was the first number, and we started on this end. When we count up, we're going to start on this end with the smaller number. So we're starting with 28. We're trying to find the difference, so we need to count up to 57. The easiest thing for me to do right now is to make a 10. So I have 28. I want to get to 30 because that's my next 10. So 28, 29, 30. So I jumped 2 ones. Now I can jump 10s, which are just easier to work with, right? So I need to get to 50 because 57 has 5 10s. So 30, 40, 50. So how many 10s did I jump? 2 10s. Okay, now I need to get to 57. So I'm going to jump ones until I get to 57. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So let's see how many ones I jumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I've jumped from 28 to 57. All of this is what's in between. All of this is my difference. So now I just need to add everything that I jumped, add it all together. I'm going to add my ones. 7 plus 2. I know that 7 plus 2 equals 9. And then I've got 2 10s. So 10 plus 10 is 20. $20 plus 9 equals 29. So 57 minus 28 is 29. Or 28 plus 29 equals 57. Thinking about the different operations. 28. So you can use an open number line, just to review, in 2 different ways. You can start with your greatest number and you can count back, or you can start with your smaller number and count forward.